Okay. This is an older version of our diamond model. And it has multiple. So the new ones though will be different. But the idea I wanted to show you was, and of course this is clean, but there's full of dishers. So we have our lower. Now this dishwasher has lights inside, but the average one does not. You can pull our rack out, and inside, because I don't know what the Bosch looks like. Okay, so this is our filter here, okay? And it's really easy. It turns, and when you turn it, it unlocks it, okay? And you can see that you can just pull it out. I'm going to show you real quick. So the customer can technically, oh, see, it needs cleaning. The customer can technically open it here, okay? And then I can actually do it. So sometimes there's food stuff in there, and pits, and things that normally can't be broken down. So all we have to do is just rinse it out. Oh, there's even a piece of glass there. Perfect example. Piece of glass. So, apologize for the bumpiness of my video, but I'm showing this for a reason. You're going to be able to pull this out. So handle in, kind of just, it's an L, and then bring it toward you. That's it. Unlock, locked. Our stuff even comes off. Okay. Little rack on the sides of our dishwasher. These are orange. They move. So when you pull them up and pull up, let go, it will balance the entire upper rack. And you can technically have it either all even, one side, the other side. Okay? You can have it up or down as well. And then this is our cutlery tray. Now this is going to be something that you're going to be talking about. This is called a 3D cutlery tray. Everything orange moves. So when I do that, you can see that it drops down. So if you want a ladle or whisk or something of a bigger nature, everything is lined up here, but you don't necessarily have to line everything up. You can just put it in. As you can see, I don't fill the entire thing, and I have 4 people in the house. So you may, mind you, but on average, most customers I would say don't, but they can fit 16 place settings. Okay, sorry. Alright, it's okay, and then like I said, everything orange moves. So I'm just going to show you this real quick. Here, these fold down. Okay. And this even comes out entirely. Okay, so when that whole thing comes out, it creates an entirely flat bottom where you can put lasagna trays and things like that. On the edge, now mine's an older model. The newer ones have a lot of orange on them, but this is where you'd put your expensive glassware, which I will get out right now. Once you put it in the actual rack, which is hard to see, I guess, I'm going to shake it. Okay? So only the top moves, because the bottom is actually anchored by these pieces. Okay? So when I move it, it keeps it in there. Now this is important, and I'll explain why. Put this back. And then your puck goes in here. Your rinse aid or jet dry is here. It's a reservoir. Okay? Closes. And then this happens to pull itself in. Okay? However, they do, and I don't know if I can do this right now. We'll see. Hold on. I'm going to pause it for a sec. I put it in demo mode. So this is what's going to happen. Shows you the main screen. Now again, this is an older model. The newer models do not have this. I'm only doing this to show you what it looks like when the door opens at the end of the cycle. You have to hear the wiggles in the background. That should open here. There it is. You can see. Okay, so that's basically where it's going to be until the customer wants to open it and empty the dishwasher. So if you start your dishwasher, let's say, 8 o'clock at night or whatever, or in the middle of the night, it's going to have all that time for all of the air to come out of the dishwasher and help aid in drying any of the plastics that are inside. Okay?